Here's why the Atlas Copco GA VSDS stands for SMART. It's boost flow mode. What happens when you exceed the maximum capacity of your compressor? You lose pressure, compromise the operation of your air-powered tools, and risk a production shutdown. Unless you have an Atlas Copco GA VSDS. The GA VSDS offers boost flow mode, giving you extra flow when you really need it. So whenever the going gets tough, the GA VSDS keeps you going safely. While in use, the boost flow mode monitors parameters such as relative humidity to ensure the reliability of your air system. Smart, solid, strong. Taking VSD technology to the S level requires cutting-edge engineering, and that is exactly what the GA VSDS delivers with its boost flow mode. To find out more about the new GA VSDS, visit atlascopco.com.